Going everybody, my name's Semi-K, and I'm back at a beautiful screensaver, and I also have a Coca-Cola Life, or Coke, doesn't really matter. I'm going to throw this, as any sane person would do, and shake it. Here we go. Oh! I hope you guys saw that, because I don't want to do that again. Oh, shit! Ah, I just nearly fell into this part, which isn't as beautiful of a screensaver. Eesh. Hey, look what I found. Damn it! Fuck! I'm just destroying this thing more and more. And you know what I love about the damage? It's all except for one little thing that is right on the top. It's all like on the bottom. Oh fuck. Let's see the can. Here it is. Nice. I've actually did this before, but I accidentally wasn't recording. Actually, I lied. I was recording, but I didn't want to upload it for some reason. We'll never know. I'm not sure if I got that entirely, but I said we'll never know why. Wow, a lot of things have been thrown that aren't rocks or dirt or plants. Let's see how far I can go without being a chicken shit. That I don't even mean. Oh my god. I don't know what the farthest I've ever gone to is, but let's see something. Let's check it out. My view. This is beautiful. Kind of. Bye-bye. For now. About to exit my view in 3. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. My view. That was weird. That is majestic. Majestic. M-A-S-tic. I don't know how to spell majestic. Wanna know why I'm not why do I not know how to spell majestic? 'Cause I am not majestic. Wait, I'm not majestic? Before I go into any more details after, look what I found. Anyway, back to the conclusion to that, I guess. No! Oh! Hey, look what I found! There's like a crystal or something. I'm gonna actually keep this. Keep anything that you find in the wild. What the fuck is this? Makes me feel like I'm near a fucking volcano. Interesting fact, there was actually a fire here, a few months ago. Hey, I found another rock that looked just like the other rock that I found. Oh, hey, look, more rocks that look just like the other 2 rocks that I just found. Better keep those with me. You know, this would have been a really good place for that rock project I had to do back in 6th grade. That was 2 years ago. Yeah. Damn it, though. Probably shouldn't be wandering far. Nah. I bet I could touch that cactus. Watch, I'm gonna touch the cactus. Feels actually pretty nice. Nice. I just got molested by a dead tree. Talk in everlasting words and dedicate them all to me. I just realized I was still recording me singing words. Yeah. Interesting, well, kind of funny fact, like, one time when I was talking to my mom, I asked her a really hard question. So, Mom, I was wondering, what actually is the word? Is it Greece, or is it the bird? A question that may never be solved. Look what I found. Looks like it's covered in shit. Literally. Gone wandered far. Who knows, I might be in Canada now. That would be funny. If I just, like, somehow ended up in Canada. This way. California. Well, Southern California, now you're in Canada. What? You're gonna have to deal with it for the rest of your life. Yeah. You know what I love about this video? It suddenly just, well, it turned into, okay, first it was throwing a can of Coke onto the ground. Now it's just me walking around for some reason. Whatever. Ooh! Pretty. Beautiful sand. What the fuck is that? My view. This actually feels really nice. Those, I don't know what those things are, but those are pretty. I'm gonna go touch it. Despite the fact that I don't know what they are. So I'm not gonna touch it. But still. You have to pay me like $20 million to go down there. I'd spend it all on chewing gum. Or bubble gum, I don't care. Probably Hubba Bubba. Old things were good things. Kind of like music. Shit. Fuck. Now I have to go back up there. Damn. Oh well, why is this shit like orange and red? Oh well. Now I just have to go back up there. Fuck! Sorry that I'm swearing, I just don't like having to do this shit. I guess I have to go. Actually, I should probably just go the way that I went before. All these all these rocks. Whoopsies! Now we run. My view. Wait, where do I go? No. I've been walking for like 20 bajillion hours. That's like 2 bajillion hours in kid years. Well, Okay. In kid years, 10 minutes is 7 hours, according to Bart Simpson. Another gross. Interesting fact, swearing is a natural pain reliever. I'm sorry, I'm just kind of exhausted now. At least I'm going outside. I know that you guys didn't hear that or see that or know anything about it, but ooh, pretty birds. You know what? I'm gonna end it there. I should have ended it a while ago, but I didn't. Sorry about that. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, well, just please leave a like. That means so much to me. And remember, please subscribe. Remember, if you can't subscribe, then that means you don't have an account. If you can't subscribe, if you can't subscribe by the me's,